Bees are buzzing insects we see around flowers. They're often seen flitting from one bloom to another, their tiny wings creating a gentle hum that fills the air. These small creatures are more than just a common sight in gardens and meadows. They're very important for our planet. Bees play a crucial role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems. Their work goes beyond just making honey. Bees help plants make fruits and seeds. This is called pollination. When bees move from flower to flower, they transfer pollen, which helps plants reproduce. This process is essential for the growth of many crops and wild plants. Without bees, we would have less food to eat. Many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we enjoy rely on bees for pollination. Imagine a world with fewer apples, almonds, and berries. Bees come in different shapes and sizes. There are over 20,000 species of bees, each with unique characteristics and roles in their habitats. Each type of bee has a special job. In a hive, worker bees, drones, and the queen all have distinct responsibilities that keep the colony thriving. Some bees live in large groups. These social bees, like honeybees and bumblebees, form complex communities with intricate social structures. Others prefer to live alone. Solitary bees, such as mason bees and leafcutter bees, do not form colonies but are equally important for pollination. Let's learn about some amazing bees. From the industrious honeybee to the solitary mason bee, each species has fascinating behaviors and contributions to our world. Western honeybees are like tiny farmers, tirelessly working to sustain their colonies and the environment around them. They live in large groups called colonies, which can consist of thousands of bees working together in harmony. Each colony has a queen bee who is the heart of the hive. She lays eggs to make more bees, ensuring the colony's growth and survival. Worker bees are very busy, performing various tasks such as cleaning the hive, feeding the larvae, and protecting the colony. They collect nectar and pollen from flowers, which are essential for their diet and the production of honey. Nectar is a sweet liquid that bees gather from flowers, which they later transform into honey. Pollen is a fine powder that bees collect and transport back to the hive, playing a crucial role in plant pollination. Bees use nectar to make honey. Honey is their food, providing them with the energy they need to continue their vital work. Bumblebees are large and furry bees. They make a loud buzzing sound when they fly. Bumblebees are important pollinators. They visit many different flowers. Bumblebees have a special way of pollinating. They shake their bodies to release pollen. This is called buzz pollination. Tomatoes and blueberries need buzz pollination. Honeybees and bumblebees belong to the Apidae family. This family has many other bee species. Carpenter bees are large bees that nest in wood. Orchid bees are colorful and have long tongues. They collect fragrance from orchids. Stingless bees live in tropical areas. They produce honey but cannot sting. Early risers, mining bees in spring. Mining bees are solitary bees. This means they live alone. They are called mining bees because they dig nests in the ground. Mining bees are important pollinators of spring flowers. They are active early in the year when many other bees are not. Master builders, plasterer bees and their homes. Plasterer bees are also solitary bees. They build their nests in cavities. They use mud or resin to make their nests. Plasterer bees are important pollinators of wild flowers. They collect pollen and nectar to feed their young. A perfect match, blueberry bees and their flowers. Southeastern blueberry bees are specialists. They are perfectly adapted to pollinate blueberry flowers. Blueberry flowers are bell-shaped. Southeastern blueberry bees use buzz pollination to release pollen from these flowers. This ensures good blueberry crops. Protecting our pollinators. Why bees matter. Bees are more than just tiny insects buzzing around. They play a crucial role in our ecosystem. Bees are vital for our planet's health. Without them, many plants, including food crops, would fail to reproduce. Bees are vital for our planet's health. They ensure the growth of trees, flowers, and other plants, which serve as food and shelter for creatures large and small. They pollinate our crops and wild plants. This process is essential for the production of fruits, vegetables, and seeds. This helps to produce food and maintain biodiversity. A single bee colony can pollinate hundreds of thousands of plants in a single day. We need to protect bees. Their populations are declining due to habitat loss, pesticides, and climate change. We can plant bee-friendly flowers. These plants provide nectar and pollen that bees need to thrive. We can avoid using pesticides that harm bees. Choosing organic and natural pest control methods can make a big difference. Let's all do our part to help these amazing creatures. By taking small steps, we can create a better environment for bees and ensure they continue to play their vital role in our world.